piercing through the hall. Tears rushing out like there's no tomorrow at all. Fire, fire. Someone yells in the fray, I wave in a towel like it'll save the day. Noodles charred black, stuck to the glass. My masterpiece ruined in a fiery mass. Roommates glaring, grabbing their coats, evacuating fast while I'm blinking notes. Coughing hard, pride going up in flames. Dorm life lessons written in smoky names. Dinner's ruined again. Microwave Inferno, where do I begin? Dinner's ruined again. Smoke and shame, this is how I sin. It's fine, cut. Evacuate, it's burning again, again, again. Trying to salvage, scraping the tray, but it's way too late, nothing left to save. Pizza next time, or maybe just cereal. This kitchen nightmare is becoming cereal. Dinner's ruined again. Microwave Inferno, driving me insane. Dinner's ruined again. Smoke-filled kitchen adding to the pain. It's fun, cut. Alarm fading with final sizzle. Distant peers complaining. Defeated soul. It's fun. Microwave Inferno.